Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing a breakpoint where you want execution to stop. Click the left gutter or press F9 on the target line. Once set, a red dot appears. Now run the app with the debugger. Press F5 in Visual Studio. When the process reaches that line, it pauses so you can inspect state. While paused, you can hover variables, open watch, or inspect call stack. These immediate checks tell you why a value differs, and they guide your next action. Once you have a breakpoint, refine it using conditions to pause only when a specific expression is true. This avoids irrelevant stops. Make sure to use hit count when a loop iterates. Set a number to stop on the nth hit. You can also apply thread or process filters to target one context. If you just need info, convert the breakpoint to a trace point to log messages without pausing. These options let you focus on the problem, not the noise. To complete a debugging session, step over with F10 to skip into calls, step into with F11 when you need deeper inspection, then continue with F5 to run to the next breakpoint. Use watch, locals, and immediate windows to evaluate or modify variables. This helps test fixes in real time. If a breakpoint never hits, make sure symbols are loaded and the running binary matches your source, and rebuild with debug configuration. This single check resolves most missed breakpoint issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.